Deep in the bowels of the Museum of American Armor lies the Timeline Division. It is here that the living historians jump back and forth into various eras. We all know that Rosie played a vital manufacturing role during World War II. But where did she acquire these vital skills? Let's find out.
Probably have it just sitting on a counter, but mine is a post vise, which means it has its own leg so that I can hammer down onto it if I needed to. But again, I'm just doing this little pretty decorative twist. I'm going to put it into the vise like that. I'm going to grab it with my tongs, and I'm just going to do a little twist around, a little spin around. Make sure it's straight. Now you see that flaky stuff that's coming off? That's called scale. It's the impurities coming out of the steel. Now you can see I switched from a metal hammer to a wooden mallet, just so that I can straighten this out without damaging it. So this will kind of push it around, but it won't change the shape of it like I normally do with that metal hammer there. So this one's kind of a long spice hook, but there you go. So now I can cool it down in the water. Leave it back here to cool down the rest of the way. But actually I can feel my tools getting so warm that it's like kind of a clue to cool them down. So you can see that when they become cold quite quickly. So just a little bit of water.
But is 1861 enough, when you can join the French Maquis? Or maybe travel back to the Middle Ages? But playing the part of Columbia in the 4th of July parade is still a pretty good gig. And leading the children around a maypole in 1864 is a lot of fun.